So let's understand what investing means. I mean, investing in the stock market is typically price is very important. I mean, you measure your portfolio by how well you have done in your portfolio. Say you start with $1 million, whether that has become 10 million or not, or 2 million or not. Or in your stock, you buy at 100 rupees and whether it has become 200 at the end of the year or things like that. I mean, while I was coming, I was seeing a lot of screens, the best performing stock between last Diwali to this Diwali.
Yes.
So, HP, BP, I would say all three were right on the top. So, they are measuring the price performance. Okay. But when I'm buying, I don't know what price will do.
Right.
Well, that's the excitement of investing, that you don't know what the price stock is going to do in the stock market, because the stock doesn't know you bought it. Okay.
Of course.
So you have to chase the value.
Okay.
What market is reflecting is change in the value. Change in the price is reflection of change in the value. So at our end, we try to figure out where is that company which is of which value is X today, and it is going to be 10x or 1000x in the years to come.
Right.
Okay. And so value is what you buy and price is what you pay. Or value is what you get, price is what you pay. The world is busy in looking at prices. Very few guys, nuts like us, we are busy in looking at value.
Yeah.
So finding great value and paying very little price for that. Literally, the greatest investors pay literally nothing.
Right.
For what they buy.
Okay.
That's the trick of investing. And stock market is a funny place where you can buy 100 rupees thing for 5-10 bucks, and you can also sell at some euphoric time.
Sure.
5-10 bucks stuff for 100 bucks.
100 bucks.
So and it's a very tricky situation.
Sure.
So you have to figure out. You have to be sure that you know the game. You are buying 100 rupees thing for 30, 40, 50, 60.
Right.
Definitely not paying more than 100 bucks.
Okay.
See, any investing, whether you call it growth investing, value investing, penny stock investing, I mean, there are million guys, million names are there. Everybody is trying to find in different way a difference between price and value. Price is known to everybody. You have to figure out the value. I find it in particular way, QGLP we call it. But somebody uses some other method. Somebody uses the inside information also.
Sure.
Somebody just do the sidecar investing.
Right.
Okay, famous investors are buying this, so let me also pile on.
Right.
Which is a big way,
Right.
So there are various ways of getting to feel the value of the company. But world over, irrespective of the style, the game is of finding the value vis-a-vis the price. As I said, understanding value is very important. Now, how do you understand value? There are 4,000 companies listed. Can you understand value of all the companies?
Obviously, you can't.
You cannot. So you have to arrive at. So human brain is brilliant, but it has its own limitation.
Yes.
And so you have to process few companies very well, better than the market. I mean, if you have to go and figure out value of say 100 companies, it's very tough. I mean, you will get somewhere,
sure,
but you'll not go deep enough. So you have to beat the market, because market is continuously pricing what market comes to know.
Sure.
So you have to be ahead of the market. So how do you go ahead of the market? Only by going deeper into that particular company.
Yes. Yes.
So and you can go deeper into very few companies. And strange thing or good thing about the stock market is that there are very few good companies, great companies. Time is friend of good companies and equally big enemy of bad companies. It's not like gold. I mean, gold you buy anywhere.
Sure.
Over a period of time, if it doubles anywhere. It's not like that in the stock market.
Right.
If you buy a good company, like Infosys you bought in 93, it is 6,000 times.
Yes.
Okay.
6,000.
And if you bought, say, Kingfisher Airline or something like that, so that has become zero.
Yes.
During the same period. So it is very important to focus on few companies and few great companies, and know very deeply about it. In fact, you must reach to a level where you must say, after the management, we are the first guys to be knowing enough about the company. What businesses are meant for?
Right.
What is the business meant for? It is meant to make money.
Sure.
It's a money-making machine. It's a cash flow machine. So somebody has given to that entrepreneur. See, it is a interaction. Businesses are interaction of capital given by, say, outsider,
Yes.
and the entrepreneurship provided by the management.
Right.
When these two things come together to exploit a business idea, the magic happens if they are successful.
Got it.
If they are not successful, then the magic happens on the reverse side.
Okay.
The 100 becomes 0, or if magic happens, then 100 becomes to millions.